This Dumbledore, I really think that I might have a blue this color in plain cardstock. Alright, if you have a lot of colors cardstock, I recommend making a little sample here, a sample ring, so it's got a little bit of all the colors with the name on it. I buy Stampin' Up! Paper. My demonstrator makes these for us every year. They're amazing. I don't necessarily have all the colors on here, but most of them, so it's a great tool. And so this way I'm just kind of looking for the blues, and I think this gray would be a little bit closer to blue. Alright, so this gray is kind of close, but obviously it's not blue. And then we've got this other blue, which is kind of close but needs gray. So I think I'm going to take maybe the gray cardstock and add blue ink to it, and we'll see how that pans out. Alright, I got my Smoky Slate cardstock and my brush. We'll add some Stampin' Up! Boho blue ink, and let's see how this turns out. We're going for this color blue here. And you know what, if it doesn't work out, it's alright. It's kind of scrap paper, so it doesn't really matter. Okay. It's not bad. Add a little more ink, and then I think we'll add some gray ink to it as well. That might do the trick. Alright, and on the Smoky Slate. Going to wipe off my brush first. And tap it in the ink. Darkened it up a bit too much, but fortunately we don't need a lot, so we'll just make sure the brush is clean, and we'll just go through and rebrush just the blue, because that one looked a little bit better. Okay. Okay, ink blending is done. We'll give it a second to dry. It shouldn't take very long because it's dye ink. Clean off the brush. Alrighty. Now this Dumbledore sticker, he's pretty sticky, but I'm going to add extras just in case he's got to survive the mail. Okay. And now, seems weird I put him in the middle, but that was on purpose because I'm going to cut him out.